Hello! Today I'm going to teach you about like and unlike terms. You can only add and subtract like terms. Now what does this mean? Let's see. If I have an x, I can only add it with another x. Example, 2x plus 3x will give me 5x. I can't add 2x plus 3x squared. These are not like terms. So the answer for this one will be 2x plus 3x squared. I can't simplify that anymore, so that will be my answer. Let's look at a few more examples. Let's say I have 2x plus 3x squared plus 4x. Now this 2x, I can only add it with another x, which means I can add it with this 4x here. I cannot add it with x squared. It's not the same. So 2x plus 4x will give me 6x. This 3x cannot be added with anything else, so we'll put it down here as 3x squared. And that is my answer. I cannot add these any further. So that is the answer. Let's see if we had 4a plus 3b. Now we can see these are not the same. They are not like terms. So the answer here would be 4a plus 3b. Simple. Let's do another example. Let's say I had 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 4x. Let's put in another 6x squared and another 4x. Now remember, we can only add like terms. So we have 2x to the power 3. We don't have any more x's to the power 3. So that one will stay the same. So we've sorted out that one. We strike it off. Now we have 3x squared. We're going to look for another x squared. So we have 3x squared. We have a 6x squared here. So 3 plus 6 will give me plus 9x squared. Sorted out that one. And now we have an x. We have another x here. 4 plus 4 will give me 8x. That is your answer. Now let's look at something a little bit more complicated. Let's say I had 2xy plus 3yx. Are these like terms? Yes, they are. Let me explain. See this 2xy here. Now let's imagine that this x is equal to 1 and this y is equal to 3. So that would be 2 times 1 times 3, which will give me 6. Now let's swap this x and y and make it yx. So I say 2yx. And that will give me 2 times y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1. 2 times 3 times 1, which will give me 6. So we've just shown that 2xy is actually equal to 2yx. That means xy and yx are like terms. So getting back to our question, where we had 2xy plus 3yx, we know now that these are like terms. So 2xy plus 3yx will give us 5xy. Few more examples. AB is equal to BA. That means A times B is equal to B times A. RS will be equal to SR. TU will be equal to UT. But remember, AB will not be equal to AB squared. They are not like terms. I know it can get complicated, but the trick is to keep at it. Keep practicing and you'll soon get the hang of it. Bye.